Hello, Education 555. Welcome to a new module. And first, I wanted to say thank you for the hard work you've done on your personal position statements. They were a lot of fun to read, and I really appreciated how you incorporated your vision, mission, and creed with that as well. I can tell that you put a lot of thought into those, so thank you very much for doing that. Let's check out this week's module. As we head to Module 4, Contextual Development. This week's essential questions: what's happening in the world or United States, and how does your school compare? And check out some ways that things are happening around the world, and you'll be able to check and see what education looks like there as well. Required reading. We're going to read the first part of our next book, The Smartest Kids in the World and How They Got That Way. It's going to help us dig into current issues and trends that are all around the world. I think you'll find it very interesting. There's a lot of good stories. How did things happen in different countries? It's written in a really nice story format and things that are very interesting. So you should read the first part of the book, pages 1 to 147. I think you'll notice that it'll go fairly quickly because the stories are so engaging in there. Additional resources are here. There's some things here from Amanda Ripley, who's the author of our book, background to the PISA test, which will get referenced in the book, and just some other links here that might be interesting for you. 4.1 discussion. After you read the first part of the book, what do you think? What points are resonating with you? What points do you disagree with? Make sure you have an APA format reference in your response. You do not need to include a citation. Make sure your initial response is due by Wednesday at midnight and responding to 2 of your classmates by Sunday at midnight. 4.2 discussion. All right, thinking about what you've read so far, still in The Smartest Kids in the World and How They Got That Way, select something from the reading you'd like to see applied to your current school, and then answer those questions. Same APA and Wednesday and Sunday, please. Let's look at the final project. If you'd like to get started on the final project, just so you have enough time to complete it and complete it well, the project will be due on Sunday at midnight of Module 7. All right, so what you'll want to do is check out the final project description. I'll highlight a few things here. You're going to be making a TED Talk is basically what the project will be. You are running a business as a school consultant. You've been hired to provide advice. They have created a planning group, and you'll present information to the school board planning task force. And working with a partner from the class, you'll select a current trend and issue in education. You'll watch some samples and you'll create your own. Purpose here, as we go through, you can read this on your own. Here are the steps that you should take to do the project. First, make contact with a partner. And you'll notice that there's a Google Doc that I will link where you can do ideas. It'll talk more about that here. Watch some sample TED Talks. Do research on your topic. More information is here. And there are 2 products that you'll make. One is a handout about your topic, and the information is there, and creating a TED Talk. We'll be using the site called VoiceThread. Information is all listed here on what you do to set up a VoiceThread. And my encouragement is to start working now so that you don't have a rush at the end. And as always, see the rubric for more information. As we go here as well, I'll go to course information. You will see that down here there are final project assignment exemplars. There are handouts that past students have used and TED Talks. Okay? So you have a handout and a TED Talk. These are examples of what you can use. Last thing is questions, anyone? If you have questions, please post those there. All right. So what I'm going to do is send out a link to the final project, signing up for partners. I'll put that in the email that I send you this week, and I'd encourage you to get started on that as well as we go to contextual development. All right, have a great week, everyone.